Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore the new Affinity and Cloud integration. According to the official Affinity documentation, using this new feature can automate repetitive tasks with Claude AI. So, for this we need two things, the Claude Desktop app, the Affinity MCP server. Let's first install Claude Desktop. Just search for Claude Desktop and download the installer for your system and install it. Then open the Claude Desktop app and sign in with your account. I already did that. Next, we need to install the Affinity Connector inside Claude Desktop. To install this, click on this plus icon, then select Add Connector. Now search for the Affinity, then click on this plus icon, then click this install button. You will get a similar system pop-up to install. Just select install here. Now the Claude Desktop site setup is done. Next, the Affinity site setup. Open Affinity. If already opened, save your current project first. Then go to Edit, then Settings. Here in Settings, you can see Model Context Protocol on the left side menu. If not, make sure you are on the latest version. Now enable Affinity MCP and restart Affinity. The Affinity site setup is complete. Now let's test this feature. Open Claude Desktop and make sure the Affinity connector is turned on. Now I am going to ask it to rename and organize my artboards. Okay, it did not properly get my intention. Let's read the official guide. According to it, we need to first ask if it can see the Affinity MCP server. Let's ask that. Now it understands and is asking us how we want to rename. We want to rename them according to contact type. Let's see how it renames. It is asking for my permission before reading and changing my files. Let's give it the permissions. Okay, it actually renames our artboards according to the content type. Nice, but for simple tasks like this, I would prefer to do it manually. And another thing, we need a Claude subscription if we want to do more, as the free plans limit ends pretty quickly. So that's a major drawback. Next, we will explore another open source tool add just to overcome this drawback. That tool is Script Manager for Affinity. Actually, when we use Claude for complex things, it writes a script and executes it. Using this script manager, we can use scripts created by other users and also create and share scripts with others. Download the installer for your system and install it. Then open the script manager and go to install scripts. Here you should see Affinity MCP status is online. If not, make sure you turned it on and restarted Affinity and that Affinity is running. Then to install a script from the community, go to the community section and install any script you want to try by clicking on the install button. Then open Affinity. To see the scripts you just installed, go to Window, then General, then click on Scripts. In the Scripts panel, you can see your installed scripts under the default section. For convenience, I moved them to my costume category. Let's test this blend tool script we just installed. First, let's create two shapes. Select them and click on blend tool in the scripts panel. Okay, this script has some additional settings like steps, orientation and color interpolation. Nice, but it's destructive, meaning once you apply the script, you cannot change the blend properties. Let's explore another script, Bento box generator. Using this, we can create Bento grids easily. First, select the artboard, then click on the script in the scripts panel. We also have options for padding, gap, corner radius, and number of grids. Change them accordingly and click OK to create the grid. Okay, it's created but not sent up. Let's do it manually. Next, some extra things to know. You can remove any installed script by clicking the delete button in the scripts installer. If you are good at JavaScript coding, you can create your own scripts using the code editor or edit existing scripts for your own purpose. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. All related links are in the description. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.